Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Hello guys and welcome back to episode 9 of Vlogmas. I have just spent the morning and the midday to clean my apartment and tidy it up for my guests later today. Now I'm a bit in a hurry. We are going to H&M home now to buy some plates and also to the grocery store for a quick trip. After that I'm going to start on the dinner. I have started on the meat, so the meat is cooking, but the sides are not started on, so I'm very stressed about that, and they are going to be here in 2 hours, so let's go to H&M home.
Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
One more bowl.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything else. Isn't this
And the
how
last
it's
plate.
supposed to be?
So yeah,
Making our Christmas memories.
that was the things that I bought from H&M home, and my boyfriend is coming home with a bouquet of flowers now. So I'm going to put these inside this one, and yeah, after that I'm going to start making food, and yeah. Here is the potatoes and another side, red cabbage, and here is the meat. Here is the table. I'm not satisfied, but it will work. Hello guys, so now it is some hours later and I didn't film that much because we had such a good evening. We ate lamb meat, something called pinnekjøtt here in Norway, and it is a very traditional dish that we eat. But yeah, I didn't film that much, so therefore I'm going to insert a clip of me unboxing PR here. This was pre-filmed 1 week ago or 2, I don't remember, but you haven't seen it, so therefore I'm going to insert that now. Enjoy! Let's unbox some of the PR packages that I have quite recently got, because I have got quite a few. So yeah, the first one that I'm going to start with is from Carolina's Wedbom, and it is a jewelry brand. So the first thing that I got is this gorgeous necklace, as you can see here. And let's move on to Clinique. So I have gotten 3 products from Clinique. The first one is the new mascara. I think it is new, at least. And I also got the black honey. I have wanted to try this for such a long time, and now it's finally time to try it. So here you can see how it looks. It looks very intimidating because of the color. It's very dark, but let's try it on. Very beautiful shade. I really like it. And the mascara, I have it on now. I think it is very good. And the last product that I got was this black honey lip gloss. So here you can see as well, it's the same color. It's a little bit darker, I think, but very beautiful. Perfect for the holiday season. So that was the things that I got from Clinique. Moving on to some other things, I have gotten something from Safira, and just a thank you note. And the thing that I got are these Bottega lookalikes. they are so beautiful, and also they are a little bit on the heavier side, so they feel much more luxurious than, for example, H&M earrings. So here you can see how it looks. Very beautiful. I think they will be perfect. And over to hair care, because I have quite recently done something on my hair. This is the brand that my hairdresser recommended me, so I have gotten some products from the brand. So here is Orange Blue. This is the hairspray, and by the way, I really like these products. I have tried them 5 times now, I think, and they are so much better than the ones that I'm used to now. So I will of course continue using them. So this is the hair thickening shampoo and also the conditioner, and the first one was the hairspray. So here you can see, here is the hairspray, and they look a little bit retro type of packaging. That was from R&Co. Moving on to one of my favorite skincare brands. Wrong way. And I have opened it, but it is the new Cica Balm from Typology. So here you can see how it looks. I'm very excited to try this one. So it is, yeah, very practical for the cold weather now in Norway. And now let's move on to X-Lash. So I got the eyebrow conditioner, and I also got the X-Lash Pro. And the last thing I got are these eye patches. I have heard so many good things about them, and eye patches are one of my favorite things to use. So yeah, and we are not done with hair care. So the next brand that I got something from is Elisabetta Seffi. So this is a multi-moisturizing ultra hydration silky soft. This is a hair and body spray, and I also got the intense treatment oil mask, and I also got a ultra rich gold glow and shine mask. That was from Elisabetta Seffi. And lastly, when it comes to hair care, I have gotten something from the Every. So this is a caring mask. The scent is so good, I really love it. So this was the caring mask, and I also got a texture spray and repair infusion for the hair. And lastly, I got the nourishing heat protectant, and that was from the Every. On to Estee Lauder. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I have quite recently gotten the new Erin scent. It is called Roasted Grass Rouge. It's very good. It is a very good rose scent. I really like it. So from Estee Lauder, I got the Night Repair Serum. So here you can see how it looks. And this one, I have tried it for over a week now, and I really like it. It's very good, because some of these PR packages are already packed up, so I have tried some of them. And I also got the Night Cleansing Balm. It's supposed to be very good, so I cannot wait to try it. I haven't tried it. And here you can see how it looks. I also got an eye cream from Estee Lauder. So here you can see that one. And I got the Youth Power Cream. This one I have tried it, and I can say that I really like it. It's very good, especially under makeup. And I also got the night cream. So here you can see how that one looks. And I also got this one today. It is from Batiste and Tangle Teaser. And yeah, very nice. I also got something from Calvin Klein. So this is a matching bracelet to the other package that I got. So here is the package that I got. This is a watch. I really like it. It's very elegant and classic. So here is the watch. Lastly, I got something from a PR agency that I work with. I thought that we were done with hair care, but no. This is a moisturizing hair serum, shampoo and conditioner from Ida Varg. It's a Scandinavian brand. I also got the dry shampoo from Ida Varg. I also got something from Skin Generics. This is a night serum, and this one is a cleanser. So here is that one. And I also got a moisturizing cream from Skin Generics, so with hyaluronic acid. I also got something from Beauty of Johnson. This is the glow serum. It's very beautiful and aesthetic. And I also got something that I have tried, and it is the sunscreen. This is with rice and probiotics, so it's supposed to be very good for the skin. And I can say that I really like it. I have tried it 3 times now, and it is very good. And lastly, I got something from BDK. It's a perfume brand, and I got a big sample of the scent Possessoir. It's a little bit floral and a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. And I also got some samples from them. So that was it for this PR haul. Thank you so much to the brands. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to use it and try it. And yeah. So that was the vlog for today. I'm sorry for the lack of content, but I hope you guys enjoyed my PR haul. And thank you so much for watching my Vlogmas. If you're not done watching yet, here is another video, and goodbye.